Okay, that was loud. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do digitals, model digitals. I say this all the time. I'm with Wilhelmina and I'm with State in New York. Wilhelmina, LA, State in New York, Clover, New York. Clover is my mother agency, and so basically digitals are the most important photos you could kind of have if you're trying to get into modeling. Digitals are just basically plain photos. Sorry, I can't talk today. Plain photos that you could take from your smartphone. That's how I'm taking mine. And you want an outfit like this, basically. Heels, open-toed heels. They have to be open-toed. Not like open-toe heels, but like heels where you can see your toes. You know what I'm saying? And then just some plain jeans. These are just some jeans I got from Old Navy. An all black outfit will also do. And then this is just a long sleeve, very form-fitting. You want a form-fitting outfit. And you could kind of see every curve. I need to tuck that in. You can see every curve. This can be lifted up a little bit. And no jewelry. I do have my watch on, but that's because I'm gonna use my Apple Watch to I hear something. I'm like trying to figure out what that is. I'm gonna use the timer to take the photos, but I could hide it once I do that. This one I'm just gonna flip around. I might take it off. And my natural hair, and as you can see, my makeup, I just have concealer on. It's better if you do it with no makeup, but I was out today and I'm gonna be out after this. Sorry, I forgot to breathe. But yeah, so I'm just gonna leave the concealer on. You can't really tell, honestly. So yeah, let me show you how I take my digitals. So I'm just gonna take them in my house, and here we have these two big windows, and that's gonna be my source of lighting, because for digitals you just want really good lighting. I have this set up, kind of weird, and there we go. And I'm just gonna take the digitals from my phone. Like I said, people like complicate digitals. It should not be that complicated. You just take it from your smartphone. People don't think that these phones actually take really good photos, and they want them to be natural lighting, and they want it to look as natural as possible. That's why they say no makeup. They don't want like a professional photo. They don't even want it from a camera like this that I'm recording on. Yeah, so just if you could have someone take it for you, that would be even better, but I never have anybody to take them for me. 4 brothers, 2 sisters, and I still can't find anybody to take them for me. Not because they don't want to, but because we all have. So yeah, I'm just gonna use my watch to take the photo for me. Then I'm gonna hide it because I don't want any of my jewelry to show. I want it to be just super plain, and yeah, super plain and natural, so my features can show. My features will be the accessory, and yeah. And I don't know if I said this already, but the background is just super plain. If you could find an all white background, like a blank wall, that's even better, but I would have to go somewhere where there's not that good lighting around, so I'm using what I can, and that's this. So yeah, I will show you the digitals afterwards. So yeah, that's kind of it for my digitals. The main thing is good lighting, form-fitting clothes. When you talk, you want to show your energy in them. So this is digitals. Let me show you. And the reason why I did show it, I think, but show you my camera roll is because it goes on for days. Look at that. This is digitals. These are just some of the videos. And then we got some of the photos. We got, I can't even see. Oops. Anyways, we'll just go through there. Got something like that. Form-fitting, plain, serious. Let me show you the video I sent in. I'm 23 years old. I'm 5'9½", and I'm from Santa Maria, California. Look that way. Look the other way. Walk. Pause. Walk. And then I serve some face. That was optional. There we go. And And yeah, so if you want to be a model, I say go for it. Find an agency you love and send them in. Don't let anything discourage you. Like I said before, look at how messy my hair looks. I am a size 12. I started this journey when I was a size 14, and nobody told me to lose weight. I did that on my own. They're actually very nice. All my agencies tell me I want you to be size happy. If that's not the sweetest thing you've never ever heard, I don't know what is. So yeah, the modeling world is not as mean as people think it is either. It's very sweet and encouraging, and I didn't take my health seriously until I started modeling, because I wanted to like keep up with my appearance. I wanted to, work out to maintain my physique. I wanted to eat healthy to get my skin to look better, even though right now I'm kind of breaking out, time of the month, whatever. I started taking my vitamins because I wanted to be healthier for modeling. It put me onto so many healthy things, and I'm very passionate about it. And I think it's something I'm happy I fell in love with it. I don't even know what I was just about to say, but I'm happy I fell in love with it, and this is right for me. So yeah, if you have any questions, DM me on Instagram or even comment below. I answer to everybody. But yeah.